Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook faux broth. First, we char the essential aromatics, whole yellow onions and fresh ginger. Place them directly over an open flame or under a hot broiler until their skins are significantly blackened. This crucial technique releases their sugars and infuses a beautiful smoky depth into your broth. The charred exteriors will later be peeled away, leaving behind the wonderfully aromatic core. Next, prepare your whole spices to unlock their full aromatic potential. In a dry pan over medium-low heat, gently toast star anise, cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, and black cardamom pods. Stir continuously for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they become intensely fragrant. This crucial process releases their essential oils, ensuring a complex and wonderfully warm spice foundation for your deeply flavorful faux broth. Now, combine all your prepared ingredients in a very large stock pot. Add the blanched beef bones, charred onions, ginger, and toasted spices. Pour in about 5 to 6 liters of cold water, making sure everything is completely submerged. Bring this mixture to a strong boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Carefully skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This ensures a clear and clean broth. Allow your broth to gently simmer for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, uncovered, maintaining a consistent low heat. This extended cooking time is crucial for extracting maximum flavor from the bones and aromatics. During the final 1 or 2 hours, introduce rock sugar and high-quality fish sauce to balance the savory notes. Resist the urge to rush this step. Patience yields the most profoundly delicious faux broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.